In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to zoom in Notion tutorial. If you ever find yourself squinting at small text in Notion or just wanting a closer look at your content, zooming in is a quick and easy way to make everything more comfortable to read. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through exactly how to zoom in while using Notion in your browser, and I'll also share a few helpful tips so you can work more efficiently. First, go ahead and open Notion in your web browser. This could be Chrome, Safari, Firefox, Edge, or any modern browser you prefer. Make sure you're signed in and have a page open that you want to view more closely. It could be a notes page, a database, a calendar, or any workspace you're currently using. Once your Notion page is open, the actual zooming in is done using your keyboard. If you're on a Windows computer, hold down the Control key, usually labeled Control, and then tap the plus key. You'll see the content on your Notion page become larger. Each time you press Control and plus again, your view will zoom in a little more, making text and elements easier to see. If you're on a Mac, the shortcut is almost the same, but you'll use the Command key instead. Hold down the Command key, often shown as CMD with a little symbol, and press the plus key. Just like on Windows, every time you press Command and plus, your Notion page will zoom in further. You can repeat this as many times as you need until the content is at a comfortable size for you. This zoom level is applied by the browser, so it affects how Notion looks, but not the actual font size in your documents. That means if you share the page with someone else, they will not see it zoomed in unless they also adjust their own zoom. If you ever go too far and things look too big, you can simply zoom back out using the opposite shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl and minus. On Mac, press Command and minus. And if you want to quickly reset everything back to the default view, most browsers let you press Ctrl and 0 on Windows or Command and 0 on Mac. And that's all there is to it. By opening Notion in your browser and using a simple keyboard shortcut, you can instantly zoom in and make your workspace much easier on your eyes.